Right, welcome back to Mathematics Meal. We are still on the special edition of Mathematics Meal, that's Maths 102, and we are treating Coordinate Geometry 1. Coordinate Geometry 1 is actually broad, and we have decided to break it down into different parts so that students can understand it easily. So we have looked at distance between 2 points on a straight line in our last video, and we solved a single question. Now we want to solve more questions in order to actually make distance between 2 points on a straight line clearer to students. All right. Now remember, there is need for you to subscribe to this channel. Also invite others to subscribe, and always leave a comment if there is any way you want us to improve, and also like this video. It's very, very important. All right. Now let's look at other examples as far as distance between 2 points on a straight line is concerned. Now we have 4 questions that we want to solve. All right, let's look at the first one. The first one, we have 5 and 8, then minus 1 and 3. We are asked to find the distance between the following pairs of what? Of points, all this. So we have the first one. We say when we want to find distance between 2 points on a straight line, we must first of all identify the coordinates. So here, this is our first point, that's the second point. So x1 is 5, y1 is 8. Then here, x2 is minus 1, y2 is 3. So what's the expression for distance? D is equal to square root of what? X2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. So we now substitute. What is S2? S2 is minus 1. Then S1 is what? Minus 5 all squared plus y2 is 3. Minus y1 is what? 8 all squared. So we have x2 minus x1, we have that. Then we have y2 minus y1. So this will give me square root of minus 6 squared plus square root of minus 5 squared. Alright, so that will definitely give us square root of 36 plus 25, and 36 plus 25 will give me 61. I can leave the answer in short form. Let me leave it as 61. When you find square root of 61, it's going to give you 7 point something, because it's not up to 64. Square root of 64 is 8, so we have 7 points. So let's leave the answer in short form. Very simple. Let's quickly look at question 2. Question number 2. All these are just very simple. All we need to do is to do simple substitution, and then boom, we are okay. So let's look at 2. Question 2. We have that minus 2 and 7, and then 3 and minus 2. So our x1 now is minus 2. Our y1 is what? 7. Then here our x1 is what? 3, and our x2 is 3, our y2 is minus 2. So what will be our d? D is square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So d becomes square root of, what is S2? S2 is 3 minus x1 is minus 2 all squared plus, what is y2 minus 2? What is y1? Just 7. We will have that all squared. And that will give us minus times this will give us plus. So when we add this, we are going to have 5 raised to the power 2 plus minus 2, that will give me minus 9 raised to the power 2. Okay? Reduce this to 5 squared is what? 25 plus minus 9 squared will give us 81. By the time we now add this to now square root of 100 and the 6, that would be the distance. Okay, let's take a short break, and when we return, we are going to look at the remaining two questions, and then we are going to give you a takeaway question. Remember, we always give you questions to solve. Yes, it's very, very important, so that we know whether you are actually following what we have been doing. Remember, a meal a day is very, very important, because it will keep you mathematically healthy and set you free from all forms of mathematical epilepsy and kwashiorkor. Don't mind me. I still love you. Thank you, and God bless you.